If yes, please put a Y sign in your chat box. All right. So as we know, today we'll be discussing the topic, and it'll be more towards the understanding the features of Stockage app, and that will be skewed, or that will be inclined towards the fundamental segment of the app. And so let's begin. So here the first thing is we will begin with इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज। तो ये इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज क्या है? वेल, हमारा रिसर्च टीम जो है, फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन I'll be keeping it as mix of Hindi and English so that it's understood by all. So what is investment ideas? That is, as the name suggests, these are for investment purposes. That means long term purposes. ये सब more than 2 to 3 years time horizon का है. Number one. Now what happens is our research team, we sit back and we decide on suo motu basis on what companies we should cover so that it provides long term of like value for our investors. Now पहले यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम लोग the first company is Sheela Foam. The first thing you will see is कि there is a PDF which is attached here. Which is attached here, and that is the report. Now if we click on that, the first thing we get to see is Sheela Foam, a little bit a synopsis on that, and if we click on that report, हमें ये पूरा रिपोर्ट देखने को मिलता है. Now ये reports जो है ये हर quarter update होता है. So here we get to see about the company. Now I'll just quickly run through the report and then I'll explain what the feature is all about. What is this all about? So this is the final edge metrics. तो हमने देखा है कि there are certain parameters, right? Growth parameter हुआ, efficiency parameter हुआ, solvency, which talks about the debt profile of the company, valuation and quality. तो इसको हम इस basis पे हम लोग company को इन categories में break कर लेते हैं, and break करके we judge the company based on its past, present and future performance. कि हमें जैसे लगता है कि growth में this particular company has like a score of 4 out of 5. Why? Because हमें लगता है कि sales, EBITDA, which is the operating metric, and profit wise ये बहुत अच्छा करेगा. Correct? So we have provided it 4 out of 5. Now solvency, just because the company is debt free. Just a second, I'll show. Debt negligible है compared to its net worth. So we have given it a 3. I mean 5, sorry. And इसका interest coverage metric भी अच्छा है, right? And sufficient current assets to cover up its current liabilities. So we have given it a 5. So this is about the performance of the company. Now here is the valuation segment. Now in the valuation segment, based on our internal valuation process, we come up with a price range. जो आपको यहाँ पे price range दिखेगा. यहाँ पे है on the up zone of 850, 920 act as a strong base, and it may go up to 2000, 2100. Now let's get back to where we were in the app. So आप जैसे इस X score में आप क्लिक करोगे, आपको ये प्राइस पॉइंट दिखेगा और आप देखोगे कि ये प्राइस पॉइंट वही है जो हमारे केस स्टडी में मेंशन था. 850, 920, the accumulation or the strong base zone, and upper that it can go to this level, 21, 2000 levels. I just increase the time frame. So आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि ये यहाँ पे accumulate करना है, and यहाँ पे अगर कंपनी का प्राइस आए, स्टॉक का प्राइस आए, so either since it's for a long term purpose, आप इसमें बुक करना स्टार्ट कर सकते हो प्रॉफिट, नंबर 1, और या तो आप थोड़ा सा कॉशियस स्टांस ले सकते हो और या पार्शियली बुक कर सकते हो. दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर रिस्क एपेटाइट. करेक्ट। नाउ वी सी कि ये पहले जब हम लोग इनिशिएट किए थे ये केस स्टडी, तो स्कोर, टोटल स्कोर गिवन वाज 23, बीच में 25 गया एंड अगेन इट्स कम डाउन टू 24। तो ये सिंस इट्स क्वार्टरली अपडेट होता है, तो कीपिंग इन व्यू कि यू नो हाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू परफॉर्म और कहाँ पे क्या है, वी कीप अपग्रेडिंग इट और डाउनग्रेडिंग इट एज एंड व्हेन वी फील लाइक द इंटरनल रिसर्च टीम फील्स। So hope it is clear till this point. I'll just check few. I'll come to the IPO segment, sir. Deepak Arwalji, fundamental analysis is based on many parameters. It's not only financial ratios. Ratios are a part of it. It is not that only we focus on ratios when we analyze a company fundamentally. We have to see how the like the both the qualitative as well as the quantitative factors. And if you check our case study reports, we have covered all what is necessary to judge a company fundamentally. We have provided you like the future outlook, the sector, how in which the company is, how it is faring, and then the management, how the company is doing in comparison to its competition. So these all are covered in our case study. Shankar sir, what is 23, 24? Can you just elaborate your question so that yes, Rao sir, the recommendation date or the date on which we publish the report, it is mentioned there. So I'll just show you once again. Say, suppose I go to the Edge report. Here you see the date is clearly mentioned on the date when on which we publish the report. Now, again, the spider chart. If we click on that, we will see the parameters और उसमें scoring क्या-क्या है. जैसे growth में 4 है, profitability में 3 है, right? Quality में 4 है. So we get to see all the number, like the scoring that has been provided. Now the key level, the LTP and gap. This is where we get a little bit confused. Now what is it? Now I'll again take you back to the case study so that it is understood clearly. I'll go to the valuation segment. Yeah. एंड यहाँ पे 850 920, तो 920 जो जोन है उसको यहाँ पे कैप्चर किया गया है एज द की लेवल. Current LTP is 923. So the difference between the LTP and the key level is 0.33, and that is what is depicted by this gap. Right? So this is what gap talks about. And यहाँ पे जो एक के बाद एक जो लाइंड अप होता है, that is by the lowest gap. जो गैप जिस कंपनी में लोएस्ट गैप होगा, that comes on the top. Right? Any questions on this? Vijay sir, like here we will only stick to the understanding the features. If you have any question pertaining to any company or any case study, please feel free to put it out in the social platform. Right? All right. Hope I'm audible to all. Oh. Okay. Now, what does the gap signifies? Now, again, I'll say, हमने यहाँ प्रेजेंटेशन में देखा कि ये जो जोन है 929 850 that acts as the strong base, right? So यहाँ पे 920 is being taken as the lower base key level. Abhi the company is trading at 923. So the difference between the key level and the LTP is 0.33%, and that is what that gap shows. So gap क्या है? हमारे जो key level है, be it on the top level or on the bottom level, उसका और the last traded price का difference, the gap between the two, that is depicted in percentage as gap. Correct? आई सी, और कोई कंपनी है जिसमें जो रेड में है, सो दैट विल बी मच मोर. हाँ, लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्रीज. यहाँ पे ये रेड में शो कर रहा है. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाई. क्योंकि अभी तक हम लोग देख रहे थे सारा ग्रीन में शो कर रहा है. नाउ इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, see the price is near its top band or the red band. 303052 के पास है, एंड हमारा लेवल्स यहाँ पे इंडिकेटेड है 3100, 3300, राइट. सो ये रेड में शो कर रहा है, एंड द गैप इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द की लेवल, द टॉप की लेवल, एंड द लेटेस्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस, which comes down to 1.58%. Okay, fine. So this is what about the investment ideas. Now let's move ahead and let's see what other reports are published by our research team. So that you will get to see under the edge report segments. So again, here I will just stick to the ones, the fundamental ones. So the first and the foremost, आपको यहाँ पे एक टैब मिलेगा जहाँ पे आप यहाँ पे भी ऑल किया हुआ है. एक केस स्टडी है जो रिपोर्ट मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी दिखाया. सेकंड कॉन कॉल एनालिसिस है, इंफोग्राफिक है, आईपीओ नोट्स. स्टॉक टू वॉच इज बेसिकली फॉर टेक्निकल पर्पस, so I'll just give it a pass for some time. And infographic is combination of both technical as well as fundamental. कुछ टेक्निकल साइड से भी आते हैं एंड कुछ फंडामेंटल के साइड से भी आता है, राइट. सो लेट्स फोकस ऑन कॉनकॉर्ड एनालिसिस. सो अभी हम लोग का अर्निंग सीजन चल रहा है, एंड एवरी अर्निंग सीजन द कंपनी interacts with the analyst team. There they discuss their performance and what are the concern areas, what are the opportunity areas. So usually con calls होते हैं 1 घंटा का, और अगर आप ट्रांसक्रिप्ट को आने में टाइम लगता है, बाय द टाइम वो आता भी है तो वो बेर मिनिमम 15 to 20 पेजेस का होता है. सो टाइम नहीं होता है, एंड टाइम कॉन्स्ट्रेन होता है. प्लस व्हाट इज हैपेंस इज you have to read the entire report to get to know which are the major points. Sometimes वो tedious and थोड़ा बहुत monotonous भी हो जाता है. So what we have done is we have prepared this report on, so you get to see a little bit about the company performance. Then you get to see this meter, which is a sentiment score. And once you open the report, you see all the major highlights, highlighted here in a very comprehensive manner. So you get to see, or you get to see all the major points highlighted with the revenue or the financials of the company. And this is done each and every quarter. So जितना भी आप देखेंगे यहाँ सारा कॉन कॉल्स है डेट वाइज. Now post that, let's move to IPO notes, and then we'll come to infographics. Now IPO notes में क्या होता है? When IPO comes, firstly a disclaimer, we don't cover SME IPOs. So what happens is IPO जब भी आता है तो हमें various न्यूज सेगमेंट से न्यूज और डिटेल्स और इंफॉर्मेशन कोलेट करना पड़ता है, एंड देन वी गेट टू नो वेदर इट्स गुड और बैड. वी हैव टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेन वर्क behind that. So what we have done is we have come up with the report. The first year you get to see a little bit about the company. Then you get this meter, वहां पे हम लोग recommendation capture करते हैं. So what we feel is that Go Digit General Insurance का IPO कैसा होगा, good, bad, excellent or average. Then you access the report. Now here comes the report. The first is the overview, a little bit about the company, उसकी financial highlights, issue size and details. Second, it talks about, the second slide talks about the company. What about the company? उसका revenue mix कैसा है, या gross written premium in this case कैसा है. Then the sector in which the company is performing. How do we feel that this particular sector will do? A little bit of competitive landscape, that the company in comparison with its listed players. सो यू गेट टू सी कि ये कंपनी कहाँ स्टैंड करता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ अदर लिस्टेड peers, which I feel is very important. यहाँ पर भी आपका कॉम्पिटिटिव लैंडस्केप शो करता है. Again, an important aspect, promoters background and what will be the shareholding pattern pre and post this IPO. Then the risk factors. Here you have the financials and the SWOT. What is the strength, opportunity, or threat and weakness of this particular IPO? And here you get to see the entire timeline. So we have put down all the important highlights in this report. So it is very easy and simple for an individual to come just have a look at this report and understand whether he or she should invest in this particular IPO or not. Right? So this is done. Any questions regarding the IPO note? Devi ma'am, can you just elaborate your question? Validity of what idea? Right. Now, once we have done the IPO note, let's have a look at the infographic. Now, the first infographic, which has come on 20th May, that talks about the 10 private sector bank with high CASA. Now, CASA talks about current asset and savings asset ratio. So you get to see which banks have this high CASA ratio. And you see JK Bank at the top and RBL Bank at the low bottom of it. And this is on the standalone basis. Plus, we also provide the total deposits. Here we have also provided the same. Right, I'll just check few questions. Upcoming IPO, I'll just, Sony ma'am, I'll just show where the IPO segment is. Just a second. Before I move ahead, I'll take Sony ma'am's question and I'll just help to show where the IPO segment is. Now, आप जहाँ पे अभी तक हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे प्रीमियम एनालिटिक्स सेगमेंट, उसके जस्ट साइड में आप देखिए एक्सप्लोर वाला सेगमेंट है, राइट? और इंडाइसेस के जस्ट नीचे आईपीओ है. आप उसमें क्लिक करेंगे, आपको ऑनगोइंग, अपकमिंग एंड लिस्टेड आईपीओ का लिस्ट मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. से सपोज अभी हम लोग गो डिजिट जनरल इंश्योरेंस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. सो इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस, सी आपको यहाँ पे एज रिपोर्ट भी अटैच्ड मिल जाएगा. एंड यू मोमेंट यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, आपको वो डायरेक्ट कर देगा और टू दी आईपीओ नोट, राइट? So investment ideas, it's usually as I stated earlier, it is updated on every quarter basis, and until and unless we feel that there is a certain major change that is likely to impact its performance or likely to have any governance issue, only then we will drop it from our list. Otherwise, we usually haven't dropped any case study from the list. All right. Sony ma'am, hope I'm clear. Higher the H score, that shows that yes, our confidence in that particular company is on the higher side. Now, okay, so we have covered investment ideas, edge reports. Now let's focus on company filings. Now, what is company filings? Now, if like the companies listed on any exchanges, they have to report whatever is happening in the company to the exchanges. That means to the general public. So कुछ भी हो, उसमें कोई expansion आ जाए या उसका annual report निकलने वाला हो या investors के साथ कोई meeting है, कोई corporate action है, उसको वो चीज or yeah, there is any change in the management, it has to inform it to the exchanges. Now, इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट कि आप सपोज आपको जानना है कि कौन कौन से कंपनीज डिविडेंड्स दे रही है या कौन कौन से कंपनीज में कोई फिनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स आने वाला है. सो इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट कि आप हर जगह जाके जाके चेक करो ऑन नो विच कंपनी. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज वी हैव कोलेटेड मेजर कैटेगरीज अंडर कंपनी फाइलिंग सेगमेंट. एंड जहां पे अगर आप जस्ट सिंपली क्लिक करोगे सो अंडर ईच कैटेगरी आपको वो कंपनीज के नाम मिल जाएंगे जहां पे उस रिलेटेड कोई भी इवेंट हुआ हो एंड दैट टू ऑन द लेटेस्ट डेट वाइज. से सपोज मुझे जानना है कि विच कंपनीज में बायबैक हुआ है. सो इधर आई व्हाट आई डू इज आई टाइप बायबैक एंड 21 मई को शेव्यॉट कंपनी में बायबैक रिलेटेड कोई अपडेट आया है. व्हाट आई डोंट नो. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस पीडीएफ अटैच्ड and then it will direct me to that company file, right? And here see 24th May को meeting होगा where they may consider a proposal of buyback of ordinary shares, right? So this is where I get to know the information on any buybacks. सारा buyback one after the other यहाँ पे stated है. नाउ से मुझे जानना है कि कौन कौन से कंपनीज में अभी मोस्टली कंपनीज हैव कम अप विद देयर Q4 आई मीन सॉरी FY24 रिजल्ट्स. सो लेट मी चेक कि एनुअल रिपोर्ट अभी किस में आ गया है. लीडिंग लीजिंग फिनेंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट कंपनी का एनुअल रिपोर्ट आ गया है. सो विल टेक यू टू द एनुअल रिपोर्ट, राइट? नाउ से सपोज मुझे इतने सारे जो like I want to cut down the noise and I'm not interested in all of the company filings. I want to have my own curated list of company filings. So हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे stars है, right? हम उसमें जाके simply click करेंगे. Say suppose I'm interested in acquisition, I'm interested in annual report, और मुझे यहाँ पे for the bonus जानना है, right? This get added to my company filings. Now let's focus shift our focus to the left hand side और यहाँ पे हम लोग देखेंगे माई स्टॉकेज बोल के आ रहा है. सो हम लोग माई स्टॉकेज पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड यहाँ पे एक ब्लू कलर का माइक दिख रहा है जहां पे लिखा है माई कंपनी फाइलिंग्स. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड आप देखेंगे सारे कैटेगरीज जो 3 हमने सिलेक्ट किए थे दैट इज लिस्टेड आउट हियर. यू कैन ऐड मोर कैटेगरीज ऑल्सो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम हियर. से सपोज यहाँ पे मुझे I'll stick to appointment or change in key personnel, ठीक है? And this gets added here. अब यहाँ पे if I click on the filings, जितने भी filings है related to the categories that I have selected, वो सारे यहाँ पे list down हो जाएंगे, right? So hope it's clear till this point. I'll take few questions, then I'll move forward. Naveen, sir, I'll come to it if you want to check it company wise and preference. I think it's there. Just a second. Just give me a. Let's see. No, preferential shares are not there. No, it's not there. No, sorry, it's not there. I'll take it as a like request and I'll for feature request and I'll forward it to the concerned team. Now, there was a question, which is a very good question, that how do I check company wise, right? So what we will do is, say suppose I go in for Coromandel International and I want to check कि इसमें latest में क्या हुआ है. So यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे अपडेट बोल के एक सेक्शन आ रहा है एग्जैक्टली डिलीवरीज के बाद. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड यहाँ पे एक अनाउंसमेंट सेगमेंट आएगा, राइट? यहाँ पे कोरोमंडल में जितना भी रिलीज लाइक कंपनी फाइलिंग्स है वो सारे आपको डेट वाइज मिल जाएंगे। नंबर 1, नाउ यू वांट टू कट डाउन द नॉइज। अगर आपको इतना नहीं चाहिए, आपको कुछ स्पेसिफिक आप सर्च कर रहे हो, अगेन आप इस फनल फिल्टर में जाओगे एंड जो कंपनी फाइलिंग कैटेगरीज मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले दिखाया था, वो सेम कैटेगरीज यहाँ पे लिस्टेड है। ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू टाइप आउट, से सपोज आई टाइप बोनस फॉर एग्जाम्पल। तो मार्च 2014 में बोनस रिलेटेड कुछ हुआ था, उसके बियॉन्ड में कोई और इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है। नाउ से सपोज आई वांट टू चेक कोई एक्विजिशन हुआ है कि नहीं, ये एक्विजिशन आया एंड 30th May latest 2024 there has been some acquisition, ठीक है। So if I click on this PDF, again it will direct me to that press release made by the company or the company filing. So यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि उसने दक्षा में उसने अपना स्टेक इंक्रीज किया है। ओके, जस्ट वन क्विक थिंग दैट I'll show is हम लोग को यहाँ पे रिजल्ट्स कहाँ मिलेगा। सो सेम कोरोमंडल का ही हम लोग एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। हम सिंपली फंडामेंटल सेगमेंट में आएंगे, यहाँ पे रिजल्ट्स है और हर क्वार्टर वाइज आपको यहाँ पे लास्ट 10 क्वार्टर्स का रिजल्ट्स दिखेगा एंड हियर यू हैव Q4 का रिजल्ट्स, ठीक है ना। टू मेक योर वर्क वे मोर इजियर व्हाट वी हैव डन इज, आपको कोई कैलकुलेट भी करना नहीं है, QOQ और YOY बेसिस ग्रोथ रेट्स हम लोग ने उसको पहले से कैलकुलेट करके दे रखा है। सो अगर आप देखोगे कि कोरोमंडल ऑन QOQ बेसिस सेल्स में 28% का डिक्लाइन है एंड YOY 28.55 विच इज 29% का डिक्लाइन है। अनदर पार्ट टू इट इज, अगर आप एबिटा को एक्सपैंड करेंगे आप देखेंगे मार्जिन्स भी कैलकुलेटेड है। सेम गोज विद पैट, पैट का भी मार्जिन्स कैलकुलेटेड रहता है, राइट। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज अबाउट द रिजल्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ आवर ऐप। होप आई एम क्लियर। How to find which company Q4 results will be published in the coming days. So number 1, अगर आपका कोई भी कंपनी है जिसको आप देखना चाहते हो, जैसे मैं भारत डायनामिक्स, एंड इफ आई गो टू द फंडामेंटल सेगमेंट, सी यहाँ पे अपकमिंग रिजल्ट शो करता है, ठीक है। आपके यहाँ पे ही अपकमिंग रिजल्ट डेट ये शो करता है एंड अगर अपडेट सेगमेंट में जाएंगे, यहाँ पे अगर आप रिजल्ट्स चेक करोगे तो आपको यहाँ पे कब कौन सा का रिजल्ट आ रहा है वो भी मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। ओके, now let's move forward. Now we have understood what is investment ideas, company filings, edge reports. Now let's move a little bit forward and talk about investment themes. Now what is investment themes? So market में narratives बनते हैं and these narratives also gives traction to companies or to sectors जहाँ पे according to those stories वो like the narrative that gives like traction to companies and or industry, and there's the stock prices moves accordingly. So what we do is we identify certain such narratives and we cover those and we like identify stocks that is likely to stand to benefit from these narratives. Say suppose first one is home improvement. तो यहाँ पे हमने what we do is intro segment में होम इम्प्रूवमेंट के बारे में थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, व्हाट आर द ट्रिगर्स एंड द नीड, एंड देन इफ यू कम टू द स्टॉक्स, देयर आर फ्यू स्टॉक्स अंडर इट जो which stands to benefit from this or gets likely to get impacted from this home improvement theme. So the first one is Asian Paints, and यहाँ पे एक read more का option है. If we click on that, see a relationship of this company with the theme, expanded description, and the last is impact. मतलब Asian Paints का इस theme के साथ positive या negative impact है, right? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं positive है. Now यहाँ पे time दिया हुआ है, and if I go to time period दिया गया है, and if we go to 6 months, so we get to see this is the performance, and last 1 year का performance, तो सुप्रीम ने नियर अबाउट 100% का रिटर्न दिया है ओवर द लास्ट 1 year. Similarly, if we go by green hydrogen, so again a little description, and we go to the stock segments. तो यहाँ पे ये stocks यहाँ पे listed है, which stands to impacted by this particular theme. And again, if we check 1 year, again it has given a steady performance with NTPC and Tata Power generating more than 100% return. Okay, I'll see some. So Rajat sir, the green hydrogen, I have stated earlier that this is about understanding the feature and not the like various company or topics. So if you want and clarity regarding green hydrogen, please put forward in the social segment. So any questions regarding the investment theme portion? All right. Now let's move to the investor portfolio. So again, in investor portfolio, there are two categories. One is individual, another is institutional. So here for the timing, we'll stick to the individual ones. So यहाँ पे what happens is we like collate the major investors who are there in the market, and we try to get you their holdings, and so that so we understand that वो जब किसी company में invest करते हैं, so there is movement in share prices of those particular company, either upside or downside, and we try to capture those, and we let you know कि where these ACE investors are investing their money or their funds, and where they are like focusing more on which sectors. Okay, so the first one is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and here you see the number of holdings is 26, and the total estimated holding is 45,000 crore. Now here, if you see in the last 3 months, the top performer has been Geojit Financial Services, right? Now let's hop into this. So first, if you see the intro segment, you see, as I had talked about, the estimated holding, the number of companies that are held by him, and where is the highest shareholding into of this particular fund, and like where they have decreased their stake. Then the another important or the best part here is the sector allocation and market cap allocation. So if we check the pie, we see that his investment is more maximum or more skewed towards diamond and jewelry, right? 35% of his portfolio is into diamond and jewelry. And if we see the market cap allocation, 45 and 38% are in large cap and mid cap. Right? Now let's go into the shareholding. So we see as per the latest quarter, what are the percentage? So we see Aptech has 44.32% and Metro Brands is 14%, Star Health Insurance is 17%. Now, the second important part here is the key changes. So अगर आप यहाँ पे जाओगे तो आप देखोगे कि where they are entering or increasing or reducing their stake in which companies. So latest on 24th April was Karur Vyasya Bank, where there has been a change from 4.62% to 4.33%. But the last quarter it was 4.62%, and this quarter it has come down to 4.33. You get to see all the changes that has taken place, right? So this was about the ACE investor portfolio. Let's take another example. I'll take Dolly Khanna. Again, you see here the market cap allocation is 100% into small cap, right? And 35% के आसपास is into crude, and followed by and diversified. If you see, 37 is into other sectors. So it's pretty a little bit of a diversified portfolio. Let's get into the shareholding. And किसी में उतना मेजर होल्डिंग नहीं है, सब में 1, 2, 3 ऐसे परसेंटेज, pretty diversified. Okay. The 26 companies held. Yeah, it's there itself, sir. Just a second. I'll show it once again. These are the lists. Okay, you want it in Excel. You want to download it. That is what you want. Uday sir, please, it's not, you can't download this, but yes, the list can be seen from here. Yeah. Now we are done with investor portfolio. Now let's go to what is called the Edge Insights. So Edge Insights, this portion, ये EOD update होता है, that is end of every day. So what happens is कोई भी technical या fundamental कोई भी updates आए which we feel is important, that gets captured here and small snippets में, and at the end of the day you can see what were the major happenings. Now if I go to view all and click on this, so we see what are the major changes. This is all technical. I'll skip the technical ones. So यहाँ पे बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्रीज में आप देखोगे कि कॉनकॉल रिपोर्ट इसमें पब्लिश हुआ है. Now if I click on this arrow, वो मुझे बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्रीज के एज रिपोर्ट सेगमेंट्स में ले जाएगा, where I can access the report, right? Now here is a tab known as other reports. So if I click on that, it will take me to all the con calls that has been published. And all edge reports is, as I had shown, जितने भी reports है आपको उस segment में ये डायरेक्ट कर देगा. करेक्ट? और एक हम लोग फंडामेंटल देखते हैं. Mostly it's into technicals, so let's keep it till here. All right, I'll check few questions and then I'll move forward. It gets updated every EOD. Okay, now once the edge section is done, we will now move to SME zone. Now what is SME zone? So they are stocks which, as the name suggests, belongs to SME companies, and for investors' interest and so that investors don't end up losing their money, these exchanges, what they have done is they have segregated these companies into a separate entity itself known as the SME stocks. Now, the difference between this and the other companies is these companies publish their financials not every quarter, but half yearly wise. This is number one. Number two, in these companies, you can't buy or sell shares in single quantity. That means you can't buy one share of isolation energy or sell one share of this company. These companies trade in lots. Now the lot and the price have inverse relationship. That means higher the price, lower is the lot size and vice versa. And इसमें थोड़ा सा कभी कभार liquidity issues होता है. Now another thing is the listing of the listing procedure of SME stocks is a little bit easier compared to other stock. So what happens is we always tell our investors or our clients that please be cautious whenever you are investing in these stocks, and do take do analyze it from all corners before investing in such stocks, right? And the the latest example of such a case is Verenium company. Jayati ma'am, the technical charts will be taken in some other session. Swati ma'am has shared the timeline calendar, so kindly check from that. Okay, now I will check, let you take into here. So अगर आप देखते हैं फंडामेंटल में रिजल्ट्स में हम लोग जाएंगे, सो आपको क्वार्टरली में यू वोंट गेट एनी डेटा, आप हाफ ईयरली में जाओगे, सो ये आपको यहाँ से डेटा मिल जाएगा, राइट, हाफ ईयरली वाइज. सो दिस इज अबाउट SME zones. Now we will talk a little bit about mutual fund. I'll see a question here. Oh, okay, I'll ask Swati ma'am to share the calendar. Otherwise, I'll ask Swati ma'am to do so. So here is the mutual fund segment of our app. Now, the first thing is AMC. Now, AMCs are the major houses, and here if you see, the first one is SBI Mutual Fund. So यहाँ पे जितने भी AMCs है, all are listed one after the other, and it is done on the size of the AUM. So first one is SBI Mutual Fund. So if I click on this, पहला आपको दिखेगा equity, then debt schemes, hybrid schemes, right? So we'll stick to the equity scheme. So the first one is SBI PSU. So you get to see the AUM, NAV. यहाँ पे अगर हम लास्ट 1 year करेंगे तो आपको यहाँ पे NAV का रिटर्न भी दिखेगा, which is pretty decent. आपको 6 months में भी decent रिटर्न देखने को मिल रहा है, right? Now let's get inside it and see. सबसे पहले आपको दिखेगा NAV का परफॉर्मेंस. Now we will go to the holdings. If you go to the holdings, आप डोमेस्टिक इक्विटी में जाओगे, आपको पूरा अगेन मंथ वाइज होल्डिंग्स का पूरा लिस्ट मिल जाएगा. क्वांटिटी चेंजेस हुआ है कि नहीं, आपको पूरा डिटेल्स यहां से मिल जाएगा. Then you have the AUM performance, how the AUM has performed, say from May 2023 to April 2024, how it has grown. आपको ये चार्ट से दिखेगा which fund manager is handling it, and if you go into the fund manager, so आपको यहाँ पे उनका भी परफॉर्म, मतलब उनके अंडर जो जो स्कीम्स है उसका परफॉर्मेंस भी देखने, you can check it out from here, so you can understand ki how the fund, various funds which are under this particular manager is performing. Wait a second, there is question. So if you have any related questions to mutual funds, do post it in this mutual fund club in the social platform, right? Now this is what about the AMC is. Now, second is what all are the schemes? So here you get to see the various classes which are there in here. So equity, debt के अंडर में कौन कौन से हैं, hybrid के अंडर में कौन कौन सा है. So if I go to the equity one, so यहाँ पे you can get to see the ETFs also, index funds, dividend yield. आपको फिर sector funds भी यहाँ पे है. So accordingly you can choose and make your investments. Then here, as we had seen, talked about themes in the equity segment. Similarly, we have themes for mutual funds also. So यहाँ पे mutual funds भी हैं. So जैसे कि international funds है. So let's go into it and see. So थोड़ा बहुत introduction portion, how they have shortlisted, the analyst team, how they have shortlisted it, and the schemes under it, right? And we see like what is the return like. So you can toggle from the timelines to check out the performance of this particular theme, right? So this was of the theme. Now, oh, just a sec. So we have understood about the mutual fund. Now, another thing, yes, I had skipped, I'm so sorry. That is NFO. So here you get to see the latest or the ones which are going to be added, these schemes, right? So under NFO, what are the like JM Finance, JM Small Cap is there, and JM Small Cap Fund Direct Plan is also there. So this is one under the NFO. So NFO is the new fund offer, and again debt is also there. So this segment shows the upcoming one. If you go to the ongoing one, you get to see the ongoing ones. And here is the recent, right? So this is the NFO segment. So now what I'll do is I'll show like where you can post your queries. And the thing is here you will see these 9 boxes. Simply click on this and you will find StockX Social. Click on StockX Social और आपको सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पे ले जाएगा, राइट? अगर आप यहाँ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में फोकस करेंगे, so you'll find clubs. The first 2 clubs is investing ideas and trading ideas. Now this you see छोटे से लिखा हुआ है stock recommendations. These are for stock recommendation purpose. So investing, as the name suggests, here you will find stocks for long term purposes, and trading में you will get for short term ones. So I'll go to the investment ideas. Here you will see the green tick members, they posting their ideas, and you will also get to see the case studies, right? Second, now we come to the fundamental club. So जैसे मैंने बोला था, आप अपना queries यहाँ पे put forward कर सकते हो. Now the point is there is a process to it. Simple सा process है, but थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखें. Say suppose I want to know about a particular company. Say suppose I want to know कि ब्रिटानिया कैसा कर रहा है, या उसमें मुझे view चाहिए. So what I'll do is I'll simply type view on simple. Now we do dollar tagging for our companies so that वो जल्दी से locate हो सके. Thread is created and we can easily locate your queries and answer to them, revert to them as soon as possible. So once I type dollar के साथ, देखिए ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट से ब्रिटानिया आ जाता है, एंड मैं सिंपली इसको पोस्ट कर दूंगी, राइट? और वहां पे यहाँ पे लिखा है दी इन्वेस्टिंग क्वेरीज गेट आंसर्ड विद इन 48 आवर्स. सो आपका 48 आवर्स में वी विल टेक अप योर क्वेरी and revert to it accordingly. Now suppose कभी क्या होता है कि अगर आप स्पेस दे देते हो उसके बीच में, से व्यू ऑन, हमने डॉलर किया लेकिन गलती से आई हैड गिवन इट अ, देखिए आई हैव गिवन इट अ स्पेस, आई विल पोस्ट इट, लेकिन ये ब्लू वाला नहीं रहेगा। सो अगर हम इस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो मुझे ब्रिटानिया के सारे स्टॉक आइडिया, स्टॉक रिलेटेड क्वेरीज में नहीं लेके जाया जाएगा। So whenever you put forward your queries in any of these clubs, do put the dollar tagging. या फंडामेंटल टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस पूछने, आप टेक्निकल में पूछेंगे, एफएनओ क्लब भी है, कमोडिटी क्लब पे है, एंड म्यूचुअल फंड क्लब है। से यहाँ पे म्यूचुअल क्लब फंड डाउट सॉल्विंग, सो आपको कोई भी डाउट होगा, क्वेरी होगा, यू पुट फॉरवर्ड हियर एंड इट गेट्स रिजॉल्व एज सून एज पॉसिबल। सी, ठीक है? सो दिस इज अबाउट द mutual various clubs. So I hope it's clear till here. Sapan sir, what do you like on social? Okay, fine. I'll just show the social platform once again. So यहाँ पे ये few boxes है. We'll click on that. Again, we'll click on StockX Social. ये मुझे StockX Social पे ले जाएगा. Here you have various clubs. See, learn के बाद clubs है. So the first two are for stock recommendation purpose and the rest are for doubt solving. फिर pure learning भी है and institutional reports है by Kotak Securities. So अगर आप fundamental club में आपको कोई भी queries पूछना है, simple आप पूछे view से ब्रिटानिया and आपको ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट से जस्ट आप क्लिक करेंगे तो वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा एंड देन क्लिक ऑन पोस्ट, राइट? Once our members get to see this, they note it down and within the next 48 hours, we will revert to your query. Hope I'm clear on this. Green tick members are external members and blue tick ones are the internal members. Me being one of them. So we sit in-house and we take up your queries and revert to them as soon as possible. Okay, so hope you guys have liked today's query, today's session. And if you have any more questions or queries, do put forward it in the respective clubs. We will be more than happy to help you. And thank you so very much for attending today's session. Thank you and have a good day. Okay, I'll see to share the calendar. Just a second. Prateek sir, it will be good if you put forward your queries on the mutual fund club. They'll be more than happy to help you out because I'm not the relevant person to do so. I've shared the calendar. Hope Jayati, ma'am, you have received the calendar. I've shared it once again. What is like? Okay, yeah, I'll show how to get the access of the recording. And one more was SME zone once again. Okay, I'll take up these two and then I'll wrap it up for the day. Okay, so here you see, you go to the like social platform and then you have the learn, type learn. You have this stockage learn. add to search, and then you do is recording. Again, add to search, click, और आपको सारे सेशंस के रिकॉर्डिंग वन आफ्टर द अदर यहां से मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। एंड एसएमई जोन, आप एक्सप्लोर सेगमेंट में जाएंगे, यहाँ एसएमई है, SME stocks, which is little bit riskier than the others, and for that, there is a separate that is why it has been put it under a separate thing itself, both in the exchanges also, and these companies file their results not on quarterly basis but on a half yearly basis, and here you can't buy or sell one quantity of share, you have to do so in lot, and the lot is inversely proportional to the price, that is higher the price, lower is the lot size, and vice versa. Okay, so thank you once again, and I'll have a wrap here. Thank you and good night.